In this Oracle database tutorial, we will increase the size of undo tablespace. Undo tablespace is the data file where uncommitted changes are kept. If the transaction changes a lot of data, undo tablespace may be insufficient. In this case, a new data file can be added with the alter tablespace command. Or the data file can be resized with the alter database command. In this example, we will resize the data file. I connect to SQL command line. I'm starting the database. We can see all data files in the database with this query. You can use this code to make the output readable. I run the select query again. Undo tablespace is 310 megabytes in size. I go to the directory where the undo tablespace is. I will increase the undo tablespace size to 350 megabytes. You can use this command to do this. I increased the size of the undo tablespace to 350 megabytes. As you can see, the previous size was 310 megabytes. I recommend you to watch the next Oracle database lessons by following the playlist. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.